Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll see what I have gifted my daughter for Raksha Bandhan. I know this video a bit late, but nevertheless let's get started with the video.
Hello.
Is this gift was in your wish list? On which category? First, second, third? First? Okay. Can I know what's there in your second category? Okay, it looks like a watch. Am I right?
Yep.
But already you have a Fitbit, right? Can you show us? Okay, she already have a Fitbit. So yeah, let's see which kind of watch she has got. Oh,
So this is a warranty,
okay.
and this is like a manual.
Manual booklet.
Yeah.
And these are the warranty cards. 2-year warranty is there. These cards which we can show anywhere and we can get it repaired. God forsake, we are not thinking that it will be getting repaired anytime in the future. So, can you tell us the price or you will mention in the screen?
I'll mention it on the screen.
Okay. So it's of which brand? From?
Casio.
Okay. Let's see. Oh wow, it's a sports watch, analog plus digital. So do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you show us?
Okay.
Okay, so this is the watch. These are the cards. So this is the short video. If you like it, please give a big fat thumbs up as my daughter is very happy. Are you?
Yes.
Yeah. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye.